guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jaji, and I'm gonna start this video off by just straight up saying that I fucked up. If you see me here with no lashes and a tank top on, it's because I was supposed to film this intro after I finished my tutorial and I took my lashes off, took my shirt off, Invisalign, all of that, and I completely forgot about the intro. So here it is, guys. On today's video, I will be showing you guys how to do this fall glam smoky eye. So if you guys would like to learn how to achieve that, then of course, keep on watching. Let's just get right into it. So for this look, I am using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm not gonna specify exactly what colors I'm using because it's a brown smoky eye, and you honestly could use whatever browns you have laying around. I'm just letting you know that this is the palette that I use. If you have it, even better. And with a Morphe 503, which is like a flat packer brush, I'm just gonna start packing that brown on. And don't be scared because we're going to blend this out. I mean, don't bring it like all the way up because you want to have room to blend it out. So keep it under your crease and just pack. But remember, keep under your crease. And I'm also going to dip into this Jeffree Jawbreaker palette. He has the color Tasty. That's a really nice cool tone brown that I'm going to throw over top of this too. Because the Jaclyn Hill palette, I feel, has more of like a reddish undertone type of browns, you know, more warmer browns. Reddish undertone, bitch, just say warmer. Warmer browns. So this one in the Thirsty palette, I like that it's cooler and I like the mix that it's giving me. See, it's like a true, perfect chocolate brown. You see, you get that nice little raccoon eye effect. And eye, whatever. So once you feel like you've gotten enough of the pigment down, and I feel I did pretty good with the pigment. You see, you can't really see through. Yeah, so when you feel like you've done good enough, then you can go back in either with a lighter brown, or if you really want to smoke it out, you can go with that same brown and just buff it out. I'm going to go with the brown in the Jeffree Star palette, which is the cooler brown. And I'm going to buff it right on the edge. You see, I'm not like going above. I'm going right on the edge. It'll like naturally and on its own smoke it right out. So that's what I'm going to start doing here. I can't believe it's freaking fall already. No! Summer went by so fast. I love all this spooky shit, but I hate fall weather. I just hate the cold. Okay, so you see how it's slowly starting to blend out and up. So that's what we're just going to continue to do. If you feel like adding more of that color, then go right ahead, but I'm not. I just added a little bit just so those edges can have that cool tone. But now I'm just going to use what I have on the brush or the brown that's already there to just buff that out. Alright, and then it's going to begin to look like this. You see how first we had that harsh line? Now it's just starting to like get a little smoother. Yeah, that's what we want. So just continue to blend until you get it the way you want it. See, so now it's more smoked out, but you see that true brown color kind of faded away. So if you feel like you lost some of that brown pigment, that's all right. You can just go right back in because you're going to pack it. It's already blended on, so it won't look crazy. So let's go back in and add more of that brown. Make it that true rich chocolate brown. And this is honestly all there is to it. Like, it's honestly just packing on these colors and just blending them out. Packing on these colors and blending them out. That's literally all there is to this eye look. Alright, so again, buff that out. So that's blended out exactly how I want it, but I just want to get this even more nice and blended. So I'm gonna go with like a smaller fluffy brush and just any nude color. Any nude color, and just kind of like softly go over it. And that way we get rid of any harsh lines, any blends that you couldn't get out. There we go. This will make it easier. Right, now what I also like to do is go with a bigger fluffy brush and just go throughout the whole eye. And then again, if you feel like you lost some of that pigment, you can go right back in and that. And voila, you got your brown smoky eye. Is it? It was that easy, literally. Like I said, all it took was layering down and blending. I'm actually going to do the other eye off camera, and then I will be back to finish the rest of my face for this fall glam look. All right, and we are motherfucking back. So this is the finished look. This is the blend. Get into it. Yes. Fall look. So, oh, actually, I did add a little bit. It's not showing up on the camera, but I did add this cute little brown from my Alien Jeffree Star palette called Space Cowboy, and it's just a brown with some gold reflex in it. Now let's get into the rest of the face so that we can see this look all come together and serve fall realness and be ready to fucking serve this cold and say, bitch, I'm here. This face is slaying.
So let's do this.
Alright, so let me prime. Okay. So we primed, we're ready to go. Going in with, of course, concealer and my favorite, Revolution. Blend this bitch out. Some powder and set this cake.
A little more of the desk scoop, is that what you say? Whatever, a little of that to refresh us and keep it moving.
It's time to contour this fucking huevo head because I'm starting to look like a cara de papa, so we need to add some dimension to this fucking Humpty Dumpty set on the wall ass face. All right.
One more webby head. Got it.
We're gonna bronze this bitch up. And we're bronzed up. We bronzed up. All right. So next is Glam. We're going in with Miss Anastasia Beverly Hills. we're going to do our under eyes, add some shadow to that. This is the final look for the eye. See, it's just a pretty simple smoky brown. And look at the skin, honey. Yes, this is the Huda Beauty with the e.l.f. primer. This is my first time wearing this foundation with this primer, and God, it made my pores non-existent. Yes, honey. Okay. I know y'all saw that. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with some brown eyeliner to finish this look off. Now we're gonna add some mascara to these sad little lashes so that we can add some falsies. I'm gonna glue these lashes off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys the final results of this fall look, but this is what we have. All right, so I will see you guys. All right, guys, so this is the final look. The lashes are on. I got my little fall nude on, or whatever you would call this, but it's on and popping, and we're ready to slay the fall. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me comments, and of course, do not forget to subscribe. It is greatly appreciated, and thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you guys have any suggestions on any videos you guys would like to see, leave me comments down below. I will see you in the next one. Bye.